Hi everybody, and welcome to a short video that I've put together for you to give you a tour of the Weather app in your OneLaunch desktop search application. So as with all my demos of the apps and widgets in OneLaunch, first and foremost, I want to show you where you find it. So follow my cursor, my mouse, to the top left um, of your desktop screen, to the top left of our OneLaunch dock, and there's a gray plus icon, a gray plus button that says Additional Apps. Click that, and that will open up our apps library. Here, I think our current count is around 28 apps and widgets that we've built for you to help make everything day-to-day on your PC that much easier and more productive. This video, of course, in question is for the Weather app. So top row, fourth spot, Weather app. Simply click it, and it will pin to your OneLaunch dock. So we're able to close out of this window, and now you see pinned to your OneLaunch dock the Weather app. If you'd like it to be more clear than the icon itself that this is the Weather app, you can right-click and show label, and that will actually put the text of the app along with the icon. From that point, simply click the Weather app, and up opens the Weather app. So right away, you're going to see the weather for your location that we're detecting on your behalf based on the IP that we detect on your computer, the location that we detect on your computer. So immediately you're able to see through our partner AccuWeather a lot of real-time weather data based on your location. So we can switch back and forth from, I assume in the States, most of our users are in the States. It's of course Fahrenheit. You're able to switch to Celsius if you wanted. But Fahrenheit here in Saanich for me is 39 degrees. You can get the real feel shade, the max UV index, wind, humidity, sunrise, sunset, and then you can click through to get even more data right on the AccuWeather partner site that we've chosen to work with. Going back to the app, we also not just give you the real-time data of today for weather, we also give you a 5-day forecast. And all of these are clickable. So it's calling, for example, Wednesday, December 7th, a high of 44, a low of 37, and I think that icon would mean cloud and rain. But you're able to click through that as well, again on AccuWeather, and actually get much more detail for that same Wednesday, December 7th. And then finally, you're able to access a bunch of quick links that we pre-populated in the app for you. AccuWeather by default, but we've got a quick link to, what did I just click? So weather radar. We've got quick links to pollen reports, to satellite, to severe weather, and you can get severe weather alerts. So lots of quick links that might be super relevant to you and to your weather checks that you do each and every day. Yeah, so here's the severe weather alert. You can see all the legend on AccuWeather. I think I clicked that twice. I want to show you the pollen report. Yeah, so this is, what do they call it? AccuWeather calls it allergies, weather, dust and dander report, etc. So lots of great quick links. And then the last thing that I'll show you is you're able to edit your location. So like I said, by default, we're always going to detect your location for you. But if you'd like to turn that off, you can. And then at that point, you need to actually type in a new location to save. Let's say New York. I'm going to save that location, and immediately we're now getting all of the weather for the location of New York, New York. Edit that again, go back to just detecting your location, and then let's see if that picked up. Yeah, we're right back to my location here in Saanich. So that's the Weather app. Lots of great information for today, for the week ahead, the 5-day forecast ahead, abilities to switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius, very easy ability to write in the app, switch location and learn more. And then lots of great quick links on the right for extra things like severe weather reports, satellite reports, pollen reports, etc. So we really hope that you find this weather app useful. If you have any feedback for us on this app, we'd love to hear from you at support@onelaunch.com. Thank you very much for watching.